I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win at bowling. To start, focus on developing a consistent form. This is crucial for accuracy. When choosing your bowling ball, select one that is approximately 10% of your body weight for optimal control. For right-handed bowlers, aiming for the pocket between the 1 and 3 pins is the most effective target for strikes. Your approach is key to a powerful and accurate shot. Aim for a smooth, 4-step approach to the foul line, maintaining balance throughout. Ensure your arm swing is straight back and through, following your target. Releasing the ball with a slight hook, rather than a straight roll, will generate more pin action and increase your strike potential. Understanding lane conditions is vital for consistent scoring. Pay attention to the oil patterns, as they significantly affect how your ball reacts. If your ball hooks too much or too little, adjust your starting position or target accordingly. A good rule of thumb is to move one board on the approach for every 1 pin you miss your target by. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of improvement, helping you build muscle memory and refine your technique. Mastering spare shooting, especially common ones like the 7-pin or 10-pin, is crucial for high scores. Even professional bowlers miss strikes, so converting spares is essential. Remember to stay hydrated during your games. Check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.